What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are going to talk about the rumors surrounding the up and coming brand new MacBook Pros from Apple. The company is expected to release improved version of the current MacBooks. Throughout this video, I'm going to give you guys the most important information that you should know about these new products. Before we begin, make sure you smash that subscribe button for more videos like this in the future, and without wasting more time, let's get this video started. Apple products are well known for their durability and excellent performance over a long period of time. All those who have owned MacBook Pros before will tell you the exact same thing. Apple is expected to release a brand new 14-inch MacBook Pro to replace the current 13-inch MacBook Pro. They are going to do this by changing the design a little bit. Apple is not going to change the size of the current 13-inch MacBook Pro. However, they are going to reduce the bezels significantly so that it becomes a 14-inch instead of a 13-inch. Now you have a 14-inch MacBook Pro with the same form factor as the 13-inch, which I believe is kind of cool. A good example to compare would be the Dell XPS. Most of the Dell XPS laptops have bigger screens with tiny bezels. This is something that Apple is going to do for the newest MacBook Pro. Isn't this just wonderful? Comment down below if you're excited about this new change. Apple recently introduced the M1 processor for the MacBook computers back in 2020. Rumor has it that Apple will use the new and improved M1X processor for the upcoming 14-inch MacBook Pros. This is going to be an improvement over the previous M1. We should expect to see better performance and longer battery life with the newest M1X processor. Apple may decide to use the micro LED display for the new MacBook Pro this time around. In terms of the design, we should expect to see a new flat-edged design which is kind of similar to the iPhone 12 design. This is going to make the current MacBook look a little bit different from its predecessor. If you are on the market looking for a brand new computer, you should definitely wait to see what the new MacBook Pros have to offer. The most exciting things about the upcoming new MacBook Pros is going to be the connectors. Rumors has it that Apple is going to use MagSafe charging connector, SD card reader, and HDMI port. This is kind of like a game changer. Those who have MacBooks always carry a lot of extra adapters because they don't have the right ports. The newest MacBooks are going to fix all of that. This is something that a lot of people have been waiting for. With the HDMI connector, you can now connect your MacBook Pro to a television or a projector without having to carry extra dongles. The SD card reader is going to be excellent for all those who like to take pictures and photos for editing later on the MacBook. The MagSafe charging is going to make it easy for you to charge your MacBook Pro. Now you don't have to plug your cable in. Instead, you will attach it to the computer with magnets. Last but not least, Apple is expected to do something to the OLED touch bar. They may change it or remove it entirely. They could replace the OLED touch bar with physical functional keys. That is something that we will have to wait and see. As for the release date, it is expected to come out in the third quarter of 2021. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching this video. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Until then, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out.